So this is Knays German Sport and Fun 3-berth. Recent jockey wheel there. It has got the 2-bike cycle rack at the front. Status aerial. Not that we've ever used the TV in it. It is a good few years old now, the van, so it has got the odd mark and scrape on it, as they do. Though gas cylinder, I'll just turn that off because I've been demonstrating it earlier. So it's got a built-in sort of water tank. There you go. All your chemicals are in. Almost forget to take those out. Okay. Alley wheels. External TV point. Never used, as you can see. So it's had this for 3 years that we've had it, never leaked. So I do believe that's one of the recycling bins and hitting that. It's got an external 12-volt socket. It does have the ladder. Now these, apparently, you can actually stand on the roof. Has got a roof rack as well, so you can put surfboards or anything like that up. So there's your fridge outlet, your Thetford toilet, your flush filler, 12-volt electric, or 240-volt electric in, another big side cabinet, bathroom there. We'll go inside. So, fire extinguisher there. Loads of storage in these. So at some point, some 240-volt lights have been added. Lots of sockets. Sockets there, sockets there. Sockets by the bed. Also added a USB charger socket, another TV socket there. Bedside light, 12 volts. Over this side we got the trauma heater. And then you got your battery indicator, electronics. Large wardrobe, battery, your status aerial in there, it's a bathroom, so you've got a light under here. It does have the facility for a shower, however we've never used it as a shower, as you can see. Thetford toilet with a manual opening there, so very handy. More cupboard space. So what you have here is the cooker and the sink. There are other videos demonstrating the working of the cooker and of the taps, so hot water. But just I've turned the pump off for now. More drawers, gas supply, so fridge. Never use the fridge on gas. Then you've got the oven, and then you've got the heater. Another fire extinguisher. And then you've got the fridge, which true to form. There we go. Lovely and cold. And you can see a little bit of ice formed on that because I've had that running today. Then the seats. So this collapses down, and then you basically fold, make a third bed, but then you got extra storage there. Huge windows, so it's nice and light in here. You have got a roof vent, which I tend to leave open. Never had any water in. Another useful storage area. So I don't know if I can prop the phone up and show you opening of here. We'll try and do it without everything falling over. Let's have a try. So basically this lifts up. So what you have with this, water hog, waste, trauma heater, another socket, but don't know why there, never mind. So this caravan can take a motorcycle, which is very convenient, and it is actually built to take a motorcycle. So what you have is a very wide door, a wheel chock, and some strapping points. So I bought this caravan when I got rid of a van, because I had a car as well. I thought, do I need both? And it has been very good. I've taken a bike in it several times, not a problem at all. Don't really feel it when towing at all. So very, very useful. And that's it. Very light caravan as well. Tows really well. I just towed it to Anglesey. Motorcycle in the back of my van. Lots of kit, and did 32 miles per gallon, so very pleased with that. But our little lad is growing, and we just need a bigger caravan. It's as simple as that. But lots of fun. We've had this 3 years now. Great van. Really solidly built.